Welcome, in this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on iPhone 15 Pro. To do that on your device, you just have to short press the side button and the volume up buttons at the same time. To save the screenshot, tap OK in the top right corner of the screen and select Save to Photos. If you want to edit screenshot before saving it, tap right here and then use the quick tools at the bottom bar, to edit your screenshot. If you want to take a longer screenshot, let's open a longer page, for example this one, and then press the same side button and volume up keys combination. And then switch to full page. To save the screenshot, once again we're gonna have to tap OK and save the photos. But if we want to adjust the selection, tap the crop icon, adjust it to your needs, tap OK. Now let's tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner, then select OK options and then save to photos. Now let's go to our Photos application and check the screenshots that we took. Here is the long cropped screenshot, and here is the first screenshot that we took. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.